Welcome to TaBlitz 101. In today's episode we are going to cover the raw material cost and consumption estimates inside TaBlitz. Starting off on the Product tab, scroll down to the Formulation section. Here we will define our ingredients and coating as well as their associated cost and weight percentages. Start by adding a formulation. Give the ingredient a name. You also need to associate this ingredient to a cost per unit. Finally, associate the percent of weight this ingredient will make up of the formulation. This information needs to be defined for individual ingredients. This will be used in a breakdown on the costing form. Now, let's add a coating. In this example, we will only have one coating. Similar to the ingredients form, you give your coating a name as well as define its cost per unit. For a coating you must also define its percent of weight gain and also the overage consideration. Here we will use a 3% weight gain and a 20% overage. Finally, select the base material for your coating as this impacts the lubricity rating for the swallowability. Now go to the Production tab. Here we can define our machine parameters and batch size. In this example, we set our batch size to 500 kilograms, with a 45-station press having 2 compression rollers running at 50 RPMs. Now open the costing breakdown. The costing form contains a detailed breakdown of all the ingredients and coatings for your product. This breakdown contains all the information in both a batching or continuous manufacturing approach. You will notice the metrics are labeled batch or associated to a per hour rate. Thank you for watching our tutorial on raw material support inside TaBlitz.